Hi, in this video I will show you how to install HP LaserJet 5L printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you how and where to download the driver and how to install it after that. This is the file that will be required for the installation. You can download the file from the video description below. If you want to download, go to the video description and click on the link. You will get this file. After downloading the file, just right click on that and click on extract to. It will create a folder like this. Just double click on that and don't do anything right now. Just remember the location of this folder. We will use it later. You can close it. Now we are going to install the printer manually. So make sure the printer should be connected to your computer and it is turned on. Click on Start menu and click on Settings. Then click on Devices. Click on the option Printer and Scanners and then click on the plus icon, Add a printer or scanner. And it is searching for the printer, so please wait. Now click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed here. Click on that and choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with the manual settings. Click on that and click on next. Now it is asking for choose the port. You need to choose the port where your printer is connected. So if your printer is connected through the USB cable, then you will have to select USB 001. If your printer is connected through the parallel cable, parallel port to the parallel port, then you will have to select LTP1. In my case, I have USB connected the printer through the USB cable, so I will select USB 001 and then click on next. Now it is asking for the drivers. I will give the driver path by clicking on Have Disk. Click on Have Disk and then go to the location where we have extracted the drivers file. Click on Browse and go to the location. I have extracted the files on my desktop. So go to the desktop and go to the folder and select that file, this one, and then click on Open. After that, click on OK. There are lots of drivers listed here, so we need to choose HP LaserJet 5L model number. So scroll down and find your printer model number. So here is the model number HP LaserJet 5L. Select that and click on Next. And then click on Next again. Select the first option, Do not share this printer, and then click on Next. The printer has been successfully installed, as you can see. Click on Finish. Scroll down the printers page and find your printer model number here. Here it is. The HP LaserJet 5L printer has been installed successfully. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.